some things are done more as a instinctive thing without thinking. Like, I pulled the bottom out further. I just put a stick in it to push it out so there's a bit more gap. Things like I put it together without thinking, but I actually did it with the thought in the back of my mind in case there is a flood and it does downpour, in which case it will all pool in that area, that twig will bend and it will empty out into the ditch. I didn't even think about when I was doing it, but that's basically how it's going to work, because it will just flow down through there, because both ends, this end is on bendy stick, that end is on bendy stick. So yeah, I could just reach out, grab that, yank it really hard, and it would snap the stick if it does rain. Okay, I need some music.